Hi guys, if your Samsung air conditioner is showing you this error code that says C422, it means that the system is usually detecting a communication or temperature sensing problem. So in this guide, you are going to learn what this C422 error exactly means and the troubleshooting steps that actually work. So on the Samsung air conditioner, the C422 code is commonly linked to the indoor or outdoor communication failures, sensor reading abnormalities, or sometimes it is relating to PCB or wiring interruptions. So this error often appears after the voltage fluctuations or the sudden shutdowns. So in order to fix it on your own, what you need to do is you need to simply turn off the AC. After that, you just have to do nothing but to just leave it powered down for at least 5 to 15 minutes. This allows the control boards to discharge and reinitialize the communication when restarted. After powering the AC back on, you need to also listen for the outdoor compressor unit. Check if the fan starts spinning normally. If the indoor unit runs but the outdoor unit stays silent, it means that the communication or the power delivery may be interrupted. So sometimes loose communication wires between the indoor and the outdoor units can also trigger the C422 error repeatedly. So you need to simply check the moisture exposure, the loose terminal screws and the damaged cable insulation. So this issue is especially common after servicing or the electrical storms. So these steps are going to help you resolve many of the C422 AC errors before any major repair is needed. So you can try and let me know if that works. Thank you.